And then, Universal Studios. Okay, guys, not all that good. Ooh, I bet you're missing that Flash Flood right about now, huh? Well, I bet